grandma to put on her thing.
Under the sea. Yeah. Oh, yeah, me now. Family and friends are selfish and
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Shenseea Unbothered. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So you know, in the last countdown, oh, big up for all of the people for watching the social media countdown. It is now over 100,000 views. Thank you for your support. And by the way, if you're, watching right now upon the premiere or probably later on, make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. So anyway, so dancehall artist Shenseea seems to be remaining unbothered following the whole big diss song Shenseea that Jada Kingdom released recently.
The girl I sell her mouth from QQ, I sing better must come, and I know I can't see her with the run down. Anybody?
No, when you hear the song, when I first hear the song, I have to say, Jada, you might never rush to the stage at the Red Bull Culture Clash big and bad like that, but you see when you hit the studio, you went full force because I'm not like them punch there, bam, 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 bam. Shenseea never have a chance for stop and get like a she couldn't get for breathe like it, all and done. That was boy, Jada, I honestly think said they distract there.
No back from no girl coming up weak with defense, yeah. The only thing rough about you is your gunman voice.
It took a land in one of the top distracts them out of Jamaica because it was just so smooth and the delivery, it just executed quite well. But anyhow, so amidst the whole of that now, I said to myself, so but wait there. Shenseea now got reply. She now got clap back. I kinda wanted Shenseea to clap back, but me didn't know say no, it never did go on. Even though she did go to the event and she did say a little thing to Jada. Me know Sir Ramisha gonna be like, no Shenseea, remember your thing upon another level, man. Shenseea, if you do this I highlight Jada, man. Just build yourself, make her thing, it's so dead down. Remember, you're international, you have collaboration and go on here and there and there. Nobody pressure that. And so said, so done. I believe that Shenseea was going to take the Nicki Minaj approach because what this kind of look like, you remember when Remy Ma did drop Sheeta? Yeah, but basically Jada Kingdom would have kind of come like the underdog, the Remy Ma in the situation, and then Shenseea would have probably want to find herself, in the same category. To a Nicki Minaj to say, me have more international pull, so maybe let me not give Jada Kingdom this spotlight, let me just stay here and show off my success, and eventually it will die down, because in Jamaica, when I talk about nothing for too long, and that is what Shenseea is doing right now. She's remaining unbothered. She posts up all her new feature with brother name, was saying, tong, da tong, 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 da tong, nang, tong, yo. I can't remember her name right now, but, oh yeah, French Montana, yes man, so Shenseea has been posting up her upcoming features. She posts a video when she just sing, she posts everything but a reaction song. Some of the burritos, I think Shenseea is probably trying to do the whole Michelle Obama thing. When they go low, we go high, but and she probably want to keep her like image, because she's a corporate darling and all kind of something like that. So I do not know if Jada will try to release another one or Jada will just kind of call it, say, yo, she just kill her and everything done.
No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clowns so me walk on them.
So let me know, burritos, what do you think of this whole entire argument? Because I guess right about now we don't know, so Shenseea will not reply. But what are your thoughts? Do you think that she should have? Sound off below. Number 9, shout out It Breaks. Me go box cover. So you remember some time ago on the social media countdown we featured this video that was talking about the brother who said shadow the breaks. Now
when you grow on can you touch your break, shadow your break and cool on yourself and grow on. Like no, shadow your break no? Shadow your break. Hey, tap.
Well, I guess now we're adding the face to this mysterious person, and here is what he has to say. Free.
Shadow your break boss, you know?
Yes boss. Yes, Mr. Durant, Carl Durant. You don't know, you know, brother. We respect to everything we are doing for me, you know, because yeah, me if it was to you right now, me last. Enough of them no see it. Me I teach a little youth to drive and look what the man do. Me I tell the man to shadow the brake. When he go around corner that he can feel the brake. Feel the impression on the road. The man not tell him that too big fat ballot be to tell him. You hear me? I tell him tap like no. Him not stop. You hear me? And Mr. Scott, this man original from Winter Castle carrying out Pure St. Mary. I talk to Carl Durant here. Bust the youth I go bust and I like it. Trust me. Shadow the brake man, shadow the brake like no, shadow the brake like no. Tap. So.
Okay, Mr. Shadowy Bricks, I see you finally, after months, you finally decided so you're going to reveal yourself and try to get whatever fame that is owed to you from the universe. Big up yourself, boss. Number 8, Gangnam in she hole. Me pew. No, out of nowhere, me dey on Twitter and me see everybody post up this thing about somebody, some woman or whatever, gunman in their hole. And me I wonder, wait, what the box foot? When me hear it, me said, no man, this sound like something that's supposed to be Jamaican. Only for the find out say actually that it come from apparently somebody there want soca party and the person go up there and go start for to sing this. And no, it is a new trendy song.
That's what she like. Man in she hole, she like that. Man in she hole, she like that. So I slam it in she like a Draco. Every gal in this just get low.
I don't know what we need for us to say, but I'm sure the Jamaican ladies, them can relate, which is why it has become so popular in Jamaica as well. Because remember Alkaline, they said some time ago.
The girl that don't want to waste, man, you hear that? A real bad man she wants in her soul. You try to know that, yeah?
So what do you have to say about this whole new song that is called Gunman in Sheol? Sound off below.
Living in your house, trying to raise your family in a law-abiding manner, 9 o'clock in the morning, gunman in your hole.
The whole heap of money I'll just save. We got $2,000 out of it.
You chase I before you said $250.
Number 7, Golden Love. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. This is one of the most adorable, the cutest things that I've seen recently on social media. So I saw this post featuring this couple now. They have been together for over 52 years. I don't know the lady name, but apparently the man is called D. And they must celebrate them anniversary now. Imagine 52 years together. That needs to be celebrated. Round of applause. Yes, man. Because in a them day and age, them love them and go on again. 52 years, me backsfoot. And so what made this entire thing very special is that them celebrate like how, you know, the young people, them do them thing where them have the balloon and them go get big, you know, photo company for go take them picture. Yes, man, look at this couple. No, look there. Watch all them something here. Oh, no, look on them adorable stuff here, man. Jesus. You know, I never look there around the tree. It's so touching. So touching. No, this is hard. Stop it. It's too cute. It's too cute. Let me know what you think about this couple celebrating 52 years. You think you can stand anybody for 52 years? Let me know in the comment section. Number 6, Cure Fashion. My word, my sentence, my Jack Cure. Whoa. Jack Cure, no big bad reggae singer. No, he has been making waves recently. Not only for his music, but for his new emerging sense of fashion. Honestly, at Jack Cure, it just seemed like I just feel all new vibe that, and the brother just have fun with fashion, and I just feel thing. And I'm sure he's very aware how the people in Jamaica got talk about this brother do not care zeros, because I guess he knows him anchor count is well fat like how Spice they describe fear underneath. And so he's paying zero attention to the haters. Right about now, I think when Jack Cure wake up a man in time, him sing love song to himself. Like I honestly feel Jack Cure in love with himself.
You never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I do.
And as we talk about that, we also have one new, well, not say one new artist, their brother here, Ganguly, where come out with film new image as well, done in a more colorful sort of approach with him Daisy Dukes type of shots. I mean, to each his own, yeah. If that is your style, your personal style, you rock your personal style. But let me know what you thought about Jack Cure's latest fashion choices and whole image. Sound off below. Number 5, Beenie Man goes to church. Wow! So, shake that in the name of you know, remember the track from way back in the day? So I saw this clip on Instagram with Beenie Man, I guess, you know, stepping into him in a Kanye West and taking over his own version of Sunday service. Take a look, people, and let me know what you thought about it. And yes, Crystal was already in attendance as well.
Beenie Man river.
Not far away.
What do you think about dancehall artists, you know, joining this whole church vibe? Are you for it or are you against it? Sound off below. Number 4, Latte Wars. Mr. Starbucks. So, this is one of the middle class to upper middle class, uptown type of mix-up that is going to be on the countdown right about now. So, I don't know if you've heard about it, but this is one entire latte drama. So, basically, Christopher Williams, now, let me see if I get the story right. So, he's the CEO approving investments, right? So, basically, them, you know, they might invest for build up one whole entire apartment scheme, you know, and it must cost $21 million for each of the unit them. So, when him come out now, he must say, basically, this is what proven a design for middle class Jamaican. You get me? Fair enough, you must say, make, you know, everybody else talk about uptown and the downtown, but what about the average working class, hustling middle class person? But this is what kind of made things, took things left. So let me just read a little piece of the article. It said, Victoria Mutual Building Society will offer up to 100% financing for the residents at loan rates that Williams said would see the monthly mortgage payment for the studio amounting to $130,000 a month for the studios, a cost he compared to coffee consumption. That is 130 lattes a month. So if you drink 2 lattes a day, all you have to do is stop drinking one and you can afford the $21 million apartment. No, you see, when him said this, the whole of Twitter ignite, because when me read it, you know, me did swear say me at the middle class Jamaican. But when you hear, so, by the way, the whole entire maths about if you cut down 1 latte a day and all the long division, yeah, wrong. It's actually wrong when you work it out. But, you know, we don't just ignore that, but the whole of Twitter decided, so them going to just jump in and make fun of the whole entire situation. Me just feel sad, because in my mind, me think I'm middle class, but according to Christopher's analysis, me well poor right about now. Why? Me well poor, like in a day. No, it's rough right there, some of them, man. And after the whole of that ordeal, you know, he released another statement, basically apologizing for his comments and seemingly appearing a little bit tone deaf and, you know, not really connecting with the average Jamaican and understanding, so like a latte thing where people are got, no, middle class are not really there, so with it. You know, you have to talk about like a peppermint tea and them like something there, like a Alex, like a oats, and them like something there, if you really do want get that that group to relate to what you are saying. But let me know what you thought about it, burritos. Sound off below.
Number 3. So recently Cranium was at a stage show and this is what happened. Check it.
Sometimes as artists we get excited when the crowd give you some proper reaction, you know. Last night I go grab my jacket and dash in the crowd and I said, I told $100 for my jacket, you know. I just put back here on it.
Oh God, so what do you have to think about this, burritos? Have you ever had a moment where you caught up and you say some things and you want to take it back after?
Energy God let you know that you're watching Duttyberry social media countdown.
Number 2, cat memes, my word, meow. No, I am one of them people that who love a good meme, I love a good gif, or is it gif or gif, whatever it is. I just love a nice meme, and now this, it look like the SpongeBob meme, but alright, I'm gonna head out. That's a long time news now. Now the meme where I run the place is this whole cat meme. This cat way is just basically so savage. So whatever them woman here who must come from Real Housewives or one of them franchise there, that picture, whatever them say, him basically will give you the unfiltered, non-politically correct, Ratra version of it. So now, I'm going to introduce this feature where it's going to be a whole entire montage, collage, slideshow of memes that, you know, took the cake because, yeah, I'm not going to include another foreign one because the Jamaican ones were really the best. So take it away, relax and enjoy. This is what I call a meow analysis. No, the one of them memes there, shell. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite burritos. And now check out the second random video of the week.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and run long. Sing along. Well then, big up your friend.
So first up, I have to go big up, you know, track star Lane Thompson getting married to her boo, to her hubby. Recently, the couple looked lovely. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best in your marriage. Also, I have to now extend this big box cover big up to Shaggy on his performance, live action performance of the Little Mermaid. He was there in the role of Sebastian.
It's a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor.
I know all of people did kind of have a lot to say about him not really wearing the claws and, you know, in a one more, you know, in a jeans pants instead of an actual, you know, crab. Sebastian, one crab or one lobster? One crab or whatever big costume. Wait, I want lobster though. Yeah, people were talking about that, and like, when I really ignore that, the fact is that you are a legend in these streets and you continue to raise the bar.
Under the sea, under the sea.
And number one goes to beer graduation. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So this, if you never said a 1 year something wrong with you, I don't know what kind of carpet, what kind of rubbish bin you are residing in, but you need to jump out and take some fresh air and realize what going on the world. If you don't have a data plan, make sure you put on your data plan and welcome to the world of social media. So this brother went viral after his graduation, picked the just gone all over the place. So basically, you know, everybody and them grandmother, mother, everybody a post of graduation picture show off, say, you know, them complete them years and, you know, the chapter kind of close and them, you know, them proud of themselves. So this brother now, film picture definitely stood out because he never post just the regular like a smile or them like a something, yeah. This brother took a picture with one red stripe in him hand. A box foot red stripe in him hand. Now when me see this, you know, man, I say, Jesus Christ, this is so cool. This is kind of interesting. Me know the brother here, like, you know, every year group you have the one gimmicks person there. It look like, say, I just film thing that. We all know I like a gimmicks person. I just film thing that. And so, me just take it with a, like a grain of salt and say, that kind of cool. Hey. Yesterday before the whole of social media could have kind of clap and celebrate and say, yo, this was interesting. Another video surfaced with his mother telling him about the picture, her reaction to the picture. Now, let us take a look and let me tell you, this is not Garrison, Jamaica. This is a different part. This is probably middle class to upper. No, pre.
Oh, Courtney, what were you thinking?
So what you have for curse?
No, I want to know, what were you thinking? A beer bottle. So when somebody asks you for your graduation, and I must take that picture and give grandma to put on her thing. And you know, everybody waiting to get this picture of you who's so proud of you with a red stripe bottle in your hand. Take the go, I'm gonna cancel after marriage.
Yes, mommy. After you work hard and send money for girls' school, now your son I'm gonna take graduation picture with beer buckle for the whole family go laugh after you like so you never do your job as a parent. I totally get you, mommy. And I think most of our parents would probably have reacted the same way, if not worse. Can I tell you that my mother, you know, think something would have fling them. My mother would walk up at you and set us up in her ear, same way, you know, man. In her robe out of the bathroom. Yeah, I'm not even going to talk anymore because due to how many I get beaten straight up till me at the 21. And so after that whole situation with the mother know, you know, people online were saying, you know, Red Stripe must give him a job or help him out or give something, and Red Stripe did reach out to him and they handed over a basket of, you know, Red Stripe to him so he could kind of celebrate his moment being a viral youth now. And let me tell you, so the story just keeps unfolding. Because when they did buck him up now and give him the Red Stripe product, look on the brother Twitter handle. The brother name Appleton. Appleton Papi. Jesus, no. Can you imagine? Me, I tell you, say you all give somebody a taste this party, and when you go to the person named Juicy Beef 101. No, me just can't understand. This story just keeps unfolding. But brother, big up yourself. And he actually did one more goofy picture of him graduation. But let it be noted that he actually took the proper official graduation photo, which would have had the the year on it. So I think the others were just some extra ones that he just did to for gimmick's sake. So let me know what you thought about this whole entire bear graduation picture. Sound off below.
Right, so from a long time ago, I always been kind of jokey. So when I was younger, my graduation picture, of course it wasn't with a bear, but it was like with a little Batman pose. So my family had asked me, do not do that kind of thing again for this college graduation. They've been waiting on me to graduate. They want some nice pictures because they did not put up the high school picture. For real. So I decided to play a prank. So I paid for, my normal graduation picture, Brian set the picture, and then after that I paid extra to take the fake picture. I mean, it wasn't fake, it's not Photoshop, but I took the fake picture and then I sent it to my mother and said, oh, my graduation picture's reached. So when she said that, that is when she get vexed, and then right after I sent her the real one and said, I don't get too vexed, we still have the nice one that grandma can put up on her man. So, but she's not happy.
Well, that's it, peeps. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Come on, say only time when you watch and you don't want to hit the thumbs up button. And also to leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown, as well as to subscribe if you are new to the DuttyBerryshow channel. Make sure you say subscribe because I want more of you to be a part of the Burritos family. And if you want to follow me on social media, it is at DuttyBerryshow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all over. If you want to advertise within the social media countdown, just to send me an email to DuttyBerryshow@gmail.com. Alright, so take care until next time, and make sure you go and check out the interview that I did with Petite Sue TV. It was a great interview, and if you must know, I'm going to be doing a series of interviews speaking to different creators one-on-one, just kind of having them share their story. Okay, so take care until next time, burritos. Peace out.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.